what is happening to you?
I'm having asthma cough.
You're having what?
Asthma cough.
You're having matchman cough.
Asthma cough. If I'm coughing, I cannot.
Matchman cough.
Asthma.
Okay, asthma.
Yes, sir.
Are you a graduate?
I just left WAEC this year.
You are not a graduate. You say,
Yes,
I just get WAEC. Where are you heading to? I said, you're a graduate. You say, I just get WAEC. Do you want to form?
No.
You have never even entered school. You have already claiming. Also, I just enter. No, I just enter. I just enter what? What do you say you went enter?
I just liked WAEC this year.
You are a WAEC lighter.
Yes,
that's
sir.
all. And you don't know whether you passed the WAEC.
Yes, sir.
Is it not true?
Yes, sir.
Do you know what you write there?
No.
You might feel there.
No.
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 I know you people. I know all these people.
Then at the big.
They don't know whether you will pass, and they don't know what they write in exam. Do you know what they write in exam?
No, sir. No.
Speak louder.
No.
All on that kind of my practice. Is it not my practice? Okay, will ask for that. You know I'm in a vision office. Only will ask for that.
Yes, sir.
Okay, will ask for.
Yes, sir.
Okay, will go.
Yes, sir.
Okay, speak will go. From A to Z. I'm where what are the outbreak got here then?
Yes, sir.
You will move it. Speak louder.
Yes, sir.
Say this for in Apala. Why you here to Nigeria called you to her? Esprelika. Oh, yeah, but I couldn't government. I know Pone spoke Kalata. Students in a governor, senator, or general.
From president to down.
What's the problem of this church, people? Or can sweat exam. Are you okay?
Yes, sir.
God is in charge.
Exactly.
You go with see you through and you enter school.
Amen.
Because you are a beautiful girl.